All right, that's good enough. I don't care that the background's messed up. Oh my God, it's really messed up. Oh shit. Are y'all cool with the background being messed up? Because I really don't. This whole video is just messed up, okay? We're just gonna have a messed up video. I just wanted to film real quick and say hello to you guys. Hi. Oh wait, hi. How are you? I needed to film. I do not have the time or the energy or the patience to fix my background. I just need to film. I need you to be okay with that. So, basically, a year ago, I started using the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Serum, okay? This one is more hyaluronic acid than it is retinol, or retin A, or retinol SA is what their patented formula from Neutrogena of the retinol. Okay, so a couple months go by, everything looks good. Eventually I start using the Rapid Wrinkle Repair Cream for your eyes as well. And I haven't really noticed that much of a difference around my eyes, but really at this point it's just preventative measures. Beach, we 27, we almost 30, y'all. I finally decided to try the Rapid Wrinkle Repair Regenerating Cream and the Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Oil. But now we have this lovely centerpiece. It hurts, it really does, it's dry, but that is what retinol does if you don't use it right and if you're not careful with it. It gets worse before it gets better. You just have to keep doing it. I'm taking a break for a day. Just 1.5 days, a day or two without retinol, we'll be fine. I got both my dogs right here. I got Cooper and I got Scooby. Today I wanted to kind of show you, well, I wanted to show you this first of all. And I can't really do any makeup on my face because it's so dry right now. This is all one big patchy dry spot. See, it's not good. It's not good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to cover up this. I'm not gonna say, I don't wanna compare it to a birthmark or anything because I don't wanna offend anybody. I know you guys, if with birthmarks, you went through a lot to get the confidence you have now. And I'm not poking fun at that or nothing. I'm not trying to hurt anything. I'm just saying, if you were to have marks like this on your body, this could be a good video for you to learn how to cover it up. Okay, let's get started. As always, before we begin the video today, please show your love and support by subscribing to my channel.
When you're done watching this video, hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. Tell me hi, tell me you love me, tell me what you think, just say hi, you know, hi, bye. I just wanna know, I just wanna know, I just wanna know, I wanna know,
Wow. Cameron, my friend, you might remember her from a few of my videos. She gave me some makeup that she didn't use. And one of them was the, oh Lord. One of the pieces of makeup she gave me was the Naked Skin Urban Decay Color Correcting Fluid in green. It's optical blurring, illuminating, and color neutralizing. Green is to neutralize red. Redness, patchiness, whatever. I've never tried anything Urban Decay, so I swatched it and I did like this formula and I was gonna show you guys how to cover this up. I might be sacrificing the health of my skin for this video, so you're welcome. I'm gonna start with our Hydro Boost cream. No, this does not have the retinol in it, so it is not going to make it any worse, hopefully, but it does have hyaluronic acid in it, which will hopefully draw moisture to it and fuck out of it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, it's on fire. Oh, oh, ooh, oh, that's worse. Oh. Oh, oh. Okay. After I use the Neutrogena Hydro Cream, I'm gonna switch off to Olay Active Hydrating Cream. It's a little bit thicker, it's got glycerin. It will just make a good little moisturizing base. So let's put that on there. Wow, that was way too much. I usually just dot it on because this has broke my face out before from using too much of it. But if you use it daily, just with a little bit, which I don't really use it anymore, but if you do use a little bit every day, it helps. It makes you feel nice. Actually, you know what, while we're at it. Wow. Whoa! All right, so now that we're good and moisturized, we're gonna go straight in with the Urban Decay We're just gonna put a little bit on here. Not much. Cooper, I'm filming a video. It's kind of burning, kind of stinging, but that's okay. It's for the video, it's for the views. I'm just kidding, it's not for the views, it's for you guys to learn. The more you know. I'm just gonna take a dry sponge. I don't have any water on it right now. I'm just gonna pat that down. I probably need to put water on this. Let me go wet my sponge, I'll be right back. My sponge just grew, it is wet. Now I'm gonna pat it down some more. I'm gonna pat it in with my fingers, try to keep the thickness. It really covers it up well. Like it really, I'm pretty sure it's canceling out the red pretty good. Okay, wet beauty sponge, just kind of blend it down. Now this will kind of bring it up a little bit too. It's kind of picking up the product. Okay, now we have a green neck. I just picked up the Hydrating Camo Concealer. I picked up shade Medium Peach. I did it a little bit under my eye last night, but my face is dry from the retinol as well, so I can't really tell you right now how I like it on my face. So we'll do a review later, but this is, oh wow. I'm sorry guys, that was, wow. This is the Medium Peach. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna show you on this. Cause I've seen Tati do this, and I really wanna do it. I just don't have a light to go behind it. Oh, I need a light behind it. Oh. Okay, well you get the idea. That is the formula. And it's very full coverage. I really enjoy it on my hand. Like I said, my face is going through it right now. Same thing on my neck. I'll let you know later on what I think when my face is back to full health. But so far I love it. I mean, it's $5. And it's not dry like the other one was. This is the original 16-hour camo concealer in medium beige. And this one is the one that is a little bit drying. Well, it's very drying. And it dries down very fast. I put a lot, so it probably won't dry down. Like I just wasted so much concealer. Wow, love that for me. That's probably more my shade too. No, wait, that's too dark. The other one's my shade. You can't even see the other one. The other one's definitely my shade. But yeah, so that's that. Today, however, we are going to use the hydrating formula in Medium Peach. I'm not even gonna try to save it. I'm just gonna glob it on. Glob, 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 glob. Okay, and we're gonna pat that in with our fingers. My whole neck is green. I probably messed up by doing that. And then we're gonna take our wet beauty sponge and we're just gonna kind of blend that out a little bit more. And it's still green, but hear me out. We're gonna put foundation on it. You're gonna wanna use a hydrating foundation. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills in shade 240N. It's a luminous foundation, because a matte foundation will be way too dry over something like that. If you have like a rash or something. Now, if it's like a birthmark or something, I'm sure you can use a mattifying. Probably be better to actually. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush, and I'm just gonna dab this in. Okay, taking my Morphe brush, I'm gonna kind of blend it down some more. Oh yeah, that feels better. Sorry, Elle, Morphe won that battle. Still a little green. Let's take another layer of our foundation. Uh-oh. I should have showed you the polka dot on my foot. Oh! There. That's where it landed. Right there. Wow, that's dark. All right, so we still have a little bit of a green shade because I kind of went the whole way up, but you can see it's gone basically. Now we just gotta take care of the green. You can avoid that whole green cast by just, hey! You can avoid the full green cast by, what was I saying? By only doing spots. Like, don't do this. I did that wrong. That is not what you do. I did this last night and it was perfect because I didn't do that much, but now that I'm filming, you know, it just happens, man. All right, since I did that, I wanna add one more layer and we're going to do the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in shade Desert Beige. You can put a little bit, not much, because we're already caked up. I've already used way too much than I planned. I didn't plan to use this much, guys, I'm sorry. But this color will kind of seal the deal, cancel out some of that green, and blend into my skin a little bit more. This is probably a really bad idea to put over this because it's dry. But if you were to have like a birthmark or something like that right here that was flush with the skin, and it was basically your skin, or even a tattoo or something, which I really want to do in another video, powder that bitch. Powder that bitch all the way up. Now watch. Boom. Done. There you go. That's how you do it. Let me show you up close. It's still green casted a little bit, but it's gone. And by the time you did your face makeup, bitch, we in there. You wouldn't even be able to tell once you did your face makeup. Mine's a little cakey in person because you know it's dry, but look at that. You're welcome. All right, guys, so I just showed you how I cover up this. I covered up one night to go into Walmart. It wasn't this bad, but it burned like a bitch, and I got home and the next day it was terrible. So I haven't really messed with it any. So after this, it'll probably be a little agitating, but I just wanted to show you guys how you can cover up something like this if you have a bad reaction, or if you do have a birthmark or something that you just not confident about yet enough to not wear anything over it and you want to cover it up, this would be your best option. I just wanted to show you how to do that. And I've never really had the opportunity to put a good green color corrector to the test. And I wasn't expecting this opportunity, but this opportunity came. Yeah, so here we are, period. All right, guys, like this video if you think I should do a video covering up a tattoo. Comment down below, tell me what you think. Please show your love and support by subscribing to my channel, and I hope you guys come back next week for my video. I'm waiting in the mail. I'm waiting on the new Bloodlust palette, and I will be doing a review probably on my next video. So excited about that. I hope you guys learned a little bit today. If not, I hope you just enjoyed me. I mean, I did a pretty fucking good job at covering this up, if I do say myself. I shouldn't say fucking. Like I said, the green cast is avoidable. Just don't be like me and go green everywhere. Just green the areas that needs it. Go over with your concealer. Do your foundation if you don't want to do your concealer first, and then patch in some concealer if that's what you want to do. Powder that bitch, spray it with some setting spray, and go the fuck on with your day. All right, guys, I love you. I'll see you next week. Good night, and let's have a great March. Bye.